10 reasons why most people are poor. Poverty is a complex and multifaceted issue that can't be attributed to a single set of reasons. It often arises from a combination of factors that interact in various ways. While it's not possible to cover all aspects of poverty in a short list, here are 10 reasons that can contribute to why many people find themselves in poverty. Lack of education. Limited access to quality education can hinder individuals from acquiring the skills and knowledge needed for better job opportunities and financial stability. Unemployment and underemployment. High levels of unemployment or jobs that pay low wages can make it difficult for individuals to earn enough income to meet their basic needs. Health issues. Health problems can lead to increased medical expenses and reduced work capacity, making it harder for individuals to maintain steady employment. Lack of marketable skills. A lack of skills that are in demand in the job market can limit individuals' ability to secure higher-paying jobs. Geographical location. Living in areas with limited economic opportunities or lack of infrastructure can restrict access to jobs, education, and essential services. Discrimination and social inequality. Discrimination based on factors like race, gender, ethnicity, or disability can limit access to opportunities and resources. Family background. Individuals born into families with a history of poverty might face fewer advantages and opportunities from the start. Single-parent households. Single parents, especially single mothers, often face challenges balancing work and childcare responsibilities, which can impact their earning potential. Lack of access to financial services. Limited access to banks, credit, and financial institutions can hinder savings, investments, and access to capital for starting businesses. Cyclical nature of poverty. Poverty can create a cycle where limited resources lead to poor health, education, and job prospects, making it difficult for individuals to escape poverty over generations. It's important to note that these reasons often interconnect and reinforce each other, creating a complex web of challenges that can perpetuate poverty. Addressing poverty requires a comprehensive approach that includes improving education, healthcare, job opportunities, social safety nets, and addressing systemic inequalities. Regenerate.